Hello everyone, I am Sandeep. I am here to discuss about database management systems. It is a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs to access those data. This is a collection of related data with an implicit meaning and hence is a database. A collection of data, usually referred to as the database, contains information relevant to an enterprise. The primary goal of a DBMS is to provide a way to store and retrieve database information that is both convenient and efficient. By data, we mean known facts that can be recorded and that have implicit meaning. The management system is important because without the existence of some kind of rules and regulations, it is not possible to maintain the database. We have to select the particular attributes which should be included in the particular table. A common attributes to create a relationship between two tables. If a new record has to be inserted or deleted, then which table should have to be handled, etc. These issues must be resolved by having some kind of rules to follow in order to maintain the integrity of the database. Database systems are designed to manage large bodies of information. Management of data involves both defining structure for storage of information and providing mechanisms for both manipulations of information. In addition, the database system must ensure the safety of the information stored. Despite system crashes or attempts at unauthorized access, if the data are to be shared among several servers, several users, the system must avoid possible anomalous results. Because information is so important in most organizations, computer scientists have developed a large body of concepts and techniques for managing data. These concepts and techniques from the focus of this presentation. Let us understand about database management and its applications. A database management system is a computerized record-keeping system. It is a repository or a container for a collection of computerized data files. The overall purpose of DBMS is to allow the users to define, store, retrieve, and update the information contained in the database on demand. Information can be anything that is of significance to an individual or organization. Databases touch all aspects of our lives. Some of the major areas of application are as follows: banking, airlines, universities, manufacturing and selling, human resources. Enterprises information, sales for customer product and purchase information, for accounting, for payments, receipt, account balances, assets, and other accounting information. Human resources for information about employee salaries, payroll taxes and benefits, and for generation of paychecks. In manufacturing, for management of the supply chain and for tracking production of items in factories. Inventors of inventors of items in warehouses and stores and orders for items. Online retailers for sale data noted above plus online orders tracking, generation of recommendation lists and maintenance of online product evaluation. Let us understand the purpose of database systems. Database systems across in response to early methods of the computerized management of commercial data. As an example of such methods, typically of 1960s, consider part of university organization that among other data keeps information about all instructors, students, department and course offerings. One way to keep the information on a computer is to store it in operating system files. To allow users to manipulate the information, the system has a number of application programs that manipulate the files, including programs to add new students, instructors, and course, register students for courses, and generate class roster, assign grades to students, compute grade points average, and generate transcripts. System programmers wrote these application programs to meet the needs of the university. New application programs were added to the system as the need of arise. For example, suppose that a university decides to create a new major, say computer science. As a result, the university creates a new department and creates new permanent files or adds information to existing files to record information about all the lectures in a department, students in that major course offerings, degree requirements, etc. The university may have to write new application programs to deal with the new rules specific to the new major. New application program may also have to be written to handle new rules in the university. Thus, as the time goes by, the system acquires more files and more application programs. This typical file processing system is supported by conventional operating system. The system stores permanent records in various files, and it needs different application programs to extract records from and records to, uh, to the appropriate files. Before database management system were introduced, organization usually stored information in such systems. Keeping organizational information in a file processing system has a number of major disadvantages. One of them is data redundancy and inconsistency. Since different programmers create the files and application programs over a long period, the various files are likely to have different structures and the programs may be written in several programming languages. Moreover, the same information may be duplicated in several places. For example, if a student has a double major, the address and the telephone number of the student may appear in a file that consists of student records of the students in music department, in a file that consists of students records of database students records of students in the mathematics department. This redundancy leads to higher storage and and access cost. In addition, it may lead to data inconsistency.